Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, we're talking about paperwhites. It is their time. The plants are so fabulous, so fragrant, but as they grow, they get gangly, tip over, a little bit frustrating. A pro technique is in the watering. To stunt them, deprive them a bit of water, keep them short, they'll still bloom out and be fabulous. Add a bit of vodka to your water. Yes, vodka like from the liquor store. But it has to be mixed exactly correctly. Too much or too little, it will harm the plant. The ratio is 7 parts water to 1 part vodka. So I actually measured it out in the beaker. 1 part vodka, 7 parts water. Use that to water your plants. You'll find the blooms come out fabulous, but it stunts it just enough that they don't tip over and get unruly. Now you know the pro technique.